Hello and welcome to Around the House with Jay and Tom, and today I've got some these Pacific oysters here. Now I love fried oysters, but I just can't put up with the grease and the oil anymore. So we're gonna fry them. We don't have to. We're gonna fry them in this Ninja Foodie Deluxe over here, and so we're gonna get started with them here. And the first thing I'm gonna do is put this colander down this sink. Before I make a mess, I'm going to try to get this top off here. I guess I'm going to have to get me something to grab a hold of it with. Okay, now I finally got this seal started coming off here, and they have to be careful with them because they are plumb full of water, juice, whatever you want to call it. And so that's why I wanted to move this sink before I got that too far open. I'm going to dump them right down this colander here. I'm going to rinse this out a little bit so it don't smell so hot. Like that. Now I'm going to wash these nice looking oysters off. So these are pretty nice ones right here now. Yeah. I'm going to let them sit right in that water for just a minute. I'm going to crack this egg right here. This bowl. Okay, I'm going to whip this egg up a little bit here. Be about enough. Now I've got some of this Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour here. Now I've already opened it and used it, some of it one time, so I've got in this Ziploc bag here. And we'll get it out of here so I can put me some in another bag. Okay, now I've got me some of this bag here. If that's not quite enough, I can always add some more to it. So now we'll take these oysters here, rinse them one more time, and we'll put them on this paper towel right here and let them dry just a little bit. These are pretty nice looking oysters here. It'll just be a small container like that. Yeah, this is going to be a good snack right here. There. Now, I'm going to get another paper towel here and just sort of dab on the top of them. But I want these things pretty dry when they go in that egg. They don't need to be adding any juice to them, you know. Like that. That's pretty good. Doesn't need to be any more than that. Now I'm just going to put them in this egg I've got beat up here. Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead and stir them up good in this egg. Make sure they all get coated real well. Alright, that's looking pretty good right there. Now, wipe my hands off again. I'm going to bring my seasoning flour over here. Turn this top down on it so I don't contaminate it no more than I have to. I'm just going to try to dip these right on down in there, you know, just like this. And when I finish, I'll be back. Okay, now I've got probably half of them in there, maybe a little more than half. And so I'll shake them up real good like this. Open it up and put it down in there, and it looks like everything's covered. Now let's go over here to the Ninja Foodie Deluxe. Okay, I'm just going to start placing these down in here. Okay, now they're all down in there about ready to go here. One more little thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spray the tops of them just a little bit with some Palm here just to help them brown a little bit better. And I did put a little bit of cooking spray in the bottom of that pan there so nothing would stick to it accidentally. And so now we're going to come over here and turn on the power. And we're going to leave it on air crisp there, and we're going to just leave it 20 minutes, but I don't think it'll take it long. And we'll go ahead and run the temperature up to 400 degrees. And we'll shut the lid and hit the start button. And there it goes. Now we'll be back checking back with these periodically, because like I say, I don't think it's going to take nowhere near 20 minutes, but it might, you know, can't never tell. So anyway, while you got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much to you folks that watches our videos. Okay, now they've been cooking just over 10 minutes. And I just now got one of these little ones out of here. And I want to tell you what, that's one of the best fried oysters I've ever had. Now they're not the prettiest things in the world, but I'm going to tell you what, they are good, and that's a good flavor. I'll see if I can get another one out so you can see it. I'm going to see if I can get another small one out here. That way I'll let these larger ones go on cooking for a minute or two. Now you see what I mean? Now that's a, well, you can't see it at all. You tell me you couldn't see it. Now there. Now see, that's not the most beautiful fried oyster that's hot in the world. But if it's anything like that last one I just ate, you're not going to beat it for the taste. That don't look all that bad either, really. It looks pretty good. So, we'll let these others cook just for another second or two. Get this cooled off just a little bit here. Well, they sure are good. They're so good I want to keep eating them. Okay, now these cook for another 3 minutes here, so I don't want to leave them in there any longer because those two small ones I took out, they're just too good to wait around on anymore. Let's see, I'm going to have to get something to hold on to my basket to keep from it turning, I think. Okay, now I've got me some of this Louisiana tartar sauce here. Put a little bit on this plate. I get it to come out. I always get it to come out one way or the other. There we go. You get the idea. I'll put some more on there in a minute. So that's about it for this little video here. We'll get this little one over here and put in this tartar sauce. That looks good, don't it? Like I say, these are not the prettiest oysters in the world, but they sure are good. Okay, that's about it for this little video. Like I say, these are some ugly oysters right here. But you're going to go a long way before you find out tasting any better than these. So, anyway, until next time, I hope you enjoyed our little video as much as we enjoyed making it for you, and I hope you come back to this real soon. And until then, y'all give us a thumbs up and join our channel if you can. And so y'all have a real good and safe day now. Goodbye.